Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on People GPT. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in juicebox.work and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Juicebox People GPT website. In order to sign into your existing account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the sign in portal. Now if you created your account using your Google account, click on continue with Google, otherwise click on continue with email. You will then be asked to enter your email address followed by your password. Just type in the email address that you used to sign up for your account and then type in your account password. After entering both of these details, you can click on the continue button and you will be signed into your account on the People GPT website. And now you can directly start using it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on People GPT by Juicebox. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.